Hello traders, we are back again, and today's analysis is for the week. We are going to looking at Euro USD, what to expect in this week forex market. As you can see, I'm currently on the monthly time frame. We are going on the monthly, and we can see that we are still going bullish for Euro USD. We are still going bullish for Euro USD. Yes, we are still going bullish for Euro USD. And we can see a slight retesting. You can see a slight retesting in the month of February. So let's go down and look closely down into the weekly time frame to see what is really happening. Okay, now this is the weekly time frame. You can see that price reacted at this point. Price reacted at this point. Let me get my ships. You can see that price reacted at this point. You can see that price reacted at this point. And right here is a supply, is a continuation swing zone. This is a continuation swing zone. You can see. So we are seeing a pullback on this point right here. This is like a retesting because over the weeks the market have been going on an upward trend. The market have been going on an upward trend. So we're going to look it closely down on the daily. You can see what's going on the daily time frame. You can see what's going on the daily time frame. Price is having a correction. The price is having a correction move. So we are actually waiting to see where this price is going to. We are waiting to see where this price is going to. We are waiting to see where this price is going to on our Euro USD. If I personally will keep waiting, before I will be going for this trade. I personally will keep waiting. We are actually in our 50 period move. 50 period move. And if price is to come down over this region, then I think we are back to the downward trend movement of Euro USD. But if this move continues and price tends to go up to break this structure right here, then we are still going bullish on Euro USD. But I think personally that we are coming closer to the end of the Euro USD bullish trend. We are coming closer to the end of the Euro USD bullish trend. So I would advise that you have patience and wait for confirmation before entering this trade. Euro USD, we are still going long for bullish, but we have to be patient to wait and see where the market is going. If it will break this structure, then we should go for a buy. But if it should break over to these points right here, then I think we are continuing down on the downward trend of Euro USD. Yeah. So that is it for Euro USD. Let us go over to see how the Swiss franc is doing, because I personally love the Swiss franc. Yes. So this is the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen, Chfjpy market, forex market structure, and we are going to start from our monthly time frame to see the overall general market structure of this pair. And as you can see, we are still experiencing retesting. We are still having a sort of pullback for Chfjpy in our monthly time frame. We are still having retesting, and you can see that this market, the price reacted at this junction. Price reacted at this junction. So we are seeing a pullback at this point now. We are seeing a pullback. That is why you can see this bearish candle forming in the month of February. We are seeing this pullback here. Let's take a close look into the weekly time frame. Let's take a close look into the weekly time frame. Yes, you can see that over the previous weeks, the price has been going bearish. The price has been going bearish, and now we are seeing a kind of a pullback up. We are kind of seeing a pullback up, but I think this pullback might be over in this week, for this past week, and we should be back to our downward trend. We should back to our downward trend in this coming week. I personally will be waiting to see where price is going for this week, but a slight expo for this week's structure. If price eventually gets over down to break this structure at the slightest move, then we are going for a sell. We are going for a sell, a continuation sell. But if price should break above this point here, if price should break above this point here, then we are going to see a reverse for the continuation of the upward trend for Chfjpy. But we are going to wait for confirmation. Let's take a closer look in our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame, we are having funny movements in the 4-hour time frame. You can see the market structure is kind of going down. It's trying to form, but I think this market is going to come down. I see price coming down, so you can wait to take a good entry towards the point of this area. You can wait to take a good entry towards this point here. You can wait to take entry towards this point here. If price should break this structure, this is on a lower time frame. If price should break this structure on the 4-hour time frame, if price should get to this point, then we know that we are continuing on our downward trend. So be attentive and be sharp to look out for these moves. All right, guys, thank you. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and leave a comment. I think the pips for this one is actually a long way down. Let's use our measuring tape. If price should start going down on this week, oh, you can see we have over 5,000 pips for grabs. So we have to trade wisely this week. Over 5,000 pips for grabs. A lot of pips. I'll be waiting for this structure. I'll be waiting for price to break this structure. Then I will go in for a sell. All right, guys. Cheers.